Welcome back to Freelance with Jay. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic that can completely transform your freelance career: personal branding for freelancers. If you've ever wondered why some freelancers seem to attract the best clients while others struggle, the answer is often branding. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a freelancing secret that could change your journey. Personal branding simply means how people see, trust, and remember you as a freelancer. Think of it this way: when a client is choosing between two freelancers with similar skills, they usually go with the one whose brand feels more trustworthy and professional. It's the difference between being just another freelancer and being the go-to expert in your field. So why does personal branding matter so much? First, it attracts the right clients, people who already resonate with your style and approach. Second, it builds trust, which is the real currency of freelancing. If clients trust you, they'll pay you more and come back for repeat work. And third, it sets you apart in a crowded market. Imagine scrolling through dozens of profiles. The one with a clear, professional brand always stands out. Step 1 of building your brand is defining your niche. Ask yourself, who do I serve, and what problem do I solve? For example, instead of saying, "I'm a graphic designer," you could say, "I help local restaurants create menus and branding that attract more customers." That level of clarity makes it easier for clients to remember you and refer you. Next, craft your UVP, your unique value proposition. This is basically your answer to, "Why should I hire you instead of someone else?" It could be your skills, your creative style, or the results you consistently deliver. For example, a video editor might say, "I create short-form videos that double your engagement in 30 days." See how specific that is? That's the power of a strong UVP. Your brand doesn't live only in your head, it lives online. Make sure your social profiles, your portfolio website, and your freelance platform profiles are consistent and professional. Think of it like a digital storefront. If a client visits and sees a messy or outdated page, they walk away. But if it's clean, clear, and professional, they're more likely to knock on your door. Now here's a secret: consistency beats intensity. It's better to show up with the same voice, same look, and same level of quality across all platforms than to show up in 100 different ways. Imagine if your LinkedIn looks super professional but your Instagram looks messy. That creates doubt. When clients see a consistent brand everywhere, they immediately feel more confident in working with you. Showcasing your expertise doesn't mean bragging. It means teaching, sharing, and providing value. Post useful content. Share your case studies with real numbers. Teach what you know in short tips or tutorials. For example, if you're a web designer, you might post, "Here's how I improved a client's site speed by 60% and what it did for their sales." Clients see that and think, "Wow, this person knows their stuff. I want to hire them." Personal branding isn't just about logos and colors, it's about relationships. Engage with your clients beyond just delivering work. Follow up, check in, and celebrate their wins. Also, build genuine connections with other freelancers in your space. Remember, one client relationship can turn into 3 if they refer you. A strong brand makes you approachable, professional, and unforgettable. Alright, let's make this practical. Here are 3 quick steps to start building your personal brand today. 1. Define your niche clearly. 2. Publish one case study or helpful post this week. 3. Make sure all your profiles link back to one clean, updated portfolio. Small steps like these build momentum, and over time, they make you the go-to freelancer in your field. So, here's the big takeaway: your personal brand is your freelance power. It's not just about what you do, but about how you're remembered. If you take the time to define your niche, showcase your expertise, and stay consistent, you'll never have to chase clients. They'll start finding you. Now, in our next video, we'll talk about something just as important: time management for freelancers. How to balance multiple clients without burning out. Don't miss it. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me, Jay, as we continue building your freelancing empire. Thanks for watching, and remember, your brand is your story, so tell it well.